everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a full tutorial on this makeup look right here. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. I already have my face moisturized. I'm just going to go ahead and spray a little bit of the Mario Badescu rose water all over my face. Next I'm going to use the Airspun Loose powder and just get that all over my face. I did let the rose water dry up first before putting this powder all over. And for my foundation, I'm going to use the Sephora 10 Hour Perfection Foundation in the color 57. I'm going to use a foundation brush to put that on. Alright, so I'm all done with my foundation. Before going in with my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Alright, now that my eyebrows are all done, I'm going to go ahead and start concealing. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution, of course, in C12. Just going to dab a little bit here. And this time I'm going to go ahead and mix it with a different shade as well. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the Makeup Revolution concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that right here. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Medium Deep. Alright, I'm just brushing it off now. Alright, my hair is getting on my nerves, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this headband on right here. Hopefully it keeps it out of my face. Alright, there we go. Here we go. So next I'm going to contour using the Black Radiance contour palette in the color Medium to Dark. Still getting in my face. Alright, so I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the Wet n Wild palette, and for my transition color, I'm going to be using this one right here. And with that same brush, I'm going to be using this burnt orange color right here. And for my lid, I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm going to be using this right here. I'm going to be using my finger to add that. Just dab it all over. So I'm going to go back in with that same burnt orange color to make sure that there's no harsh lines and just blend everything. Actually, no, I'm gonna use that same color. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my top lashes. Lashes, I'm gonna be using the Kiss. The brand name is Kiss and the style is a sultry. Using my eyeliner in the color Ebony Black. Eye is a little bit irritated. I don't know if I got something in it, but it's been hurting all night and all day for some reason. I'm gonna go back with this color right here and add it under my eye. I'll go back with that same color right here under my eye as well. Right, nice. Add a little bit of mascara. Oh gosh. And for the inner corner, I'm going to add this shimmery gold color right here. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!